Hey, it's Lucas. I want to tell you about this Grob saw. It's a bandsaw. So got a terrific speed range on it, so it's useful for all kinds of materials. It's set up, you know, the diagram here tells you what materials and what blade speed one should use. But for instance, on the low end, it's 50 feet per minute, and on the high end, it's up to 3,000. So it's got a 8-speed gearbox and then a variable speed system on top of that. So it's amazing. Anyway, we're going to run this now. I've got a piece of steel, and it is, I believe it's a 1/4 inch thick. So we'll just take a look here. So zeroed out gauge. A little hard to read, the battery's about shot, but 0.25. Okay, so we're going to cut this. So there we have it, nice and square, everything looks good on it. The saw works fantastic. Let's talk about the rest of it. It's an 18-inch saw. It's got nicely crowned wheels. The wheels are all great. Everything tracks extremely well. These are Carter ball bearing guides. They're good for high speeds. So this saw would work well for wood as well as steel. And by the way, it would work very well for aluminum also. So these guides are high-speed guides. They're designed for that. It's got a blade welder. The blade welder works. The lower unit, here's the drive system. Everything looks good down here. And let's just go over the mechanism for tilting the table. So it's a cam-operated mechanism. Everything tilts just nice. Everything's great on it. And then it locks again when you're ready to go. That's the blade tilt. It's a 220 volt 3-phase machine. I believe it's possible, though I haven't checked it, I believe it's possible to wire it for 440. 3500. It's a 1970 production. Serial number is 963-4V18. That's the info on the saw. I think they're still making this saw. So, this is Lucas signing off.